Student, myself Manish Kumar Yadav. I am lecturer mechanical engineering in Government Polytechnic, Basti, Uttar Pradesh. Today's topic is management's basics. So, what is management? Management is the process of using what you have, resources, to do what you want to do. That is called goal. So, it means available resources utilized for the achieve our goals. That is called management. So different kind of resources which is also known as assets. Seven categories of resources are like people's money, time, work procedures, energy, metal and equipment. These resources help to achieve our goals. That goals may be profit levels or maximum cost levels, maintenance or growth of financial strength, quality standards, guest employees and management concerns, professional obligations and social concerns. So, in summarized way, we can say management is a multi-purpose organ that manages business and manages managers and manages workers and work. Management can be also understood with help of management process. So, management have several processes like planning, organizing, conducting, staffing, directing, and evaluating. Most of us is confused with administration management organizations. So we can say organization determines network or structure establishes or relationships among individuals, while administrations refers to the management functions of planning and control. Management differs administrative management and operative management. Administrations we are concerned with laying down of the corporate policies, obtaining financial productions and distributions. Management concerned with actual executions of policies within limits set by the administrations and organizations combines of both administration and management to achieve our goals. Level of management. So management can be also defined with the help of several levels which will be used in our organizations. Which first one is the you can say the in the triangle top part that is basically the top management, and middle one is middle management, and last one that is supervisory management, beyond which the non-managementalist implies which can be real their person that will be near to the machines. So we can also say the administrative and the management comparison. You can say the upper part while the line left hand side of that part that is board of directors, next CEO, functional top executives, middle levels and first line supervisors, traits of managers. Which kinds of traits normally managers can be used? That is best traits, fair, just decisions, trusting and trusted at the same time to others, caring and analytical in thought sectors. Wrong traits, deceitful, dishonest, show favorism, lazy and unorganized. Now, skill of managers. A good manager have the following skills basically: human resources skill, technical skills, and conceptual skills. Basically, you can see conceptual human resource and technical skills of the manager where he plays a role in the organizations. Again, some questions will be there. Is management an art or science? You can say that as art because it depends on the skills, aptitude, and creativity of the managers. That's why it is called an also an art part of the managers. Science because there is a considerable knowledge in the field of management with basic principle for guidance of basic activity that is called also a science part of the management. Development stages in management thought. Several stages that is called scientific management stage, national stage, management process stage, the general management theory stage. In such scientific management stage that is concerned with the setting of work standard, planning work, explanations, experimenting, maintaining a standard manager and research, cooperation between managers and workers. National stage concerned with organizations as a structure and administrations. Management process state setting objective and goals, formulating policies as guidelines, organizing and staffing, directing and motivation that is basically the part of management process stage. General management theory based on the framework created previously management concept affected by communication and informations technology. SWOT. In any industry, the analysis can be done with the help of SWOT analysis. SWOT basically the consists of four part that means S stand for strength, W stand for weakness, O stand for opportunity, and T that is threats. Creative use of SWOTs, how we can use and capitalize on each strength. How can we improve each weakness? How can we exploit the benefit from each opportunities? How can we mitigate each threats? That is what analysis framework. Environmentalist can you can say there are two parts, internal and external. Internal assets analysis can be done with the help of strength and weakness, while the external analysis should be opportunity and threats. That is called as SWOT matrix. Strength. In SWOT analysis, first term as strength for strength. Strength describe strong brand name, good reputation among the customers, exclusive access to high grade natural resources, favorable access to the distributions network. While weakness, a weak brand name, poor reputation among customer, high cost structure, lack of access to best natural resources, opportunity, and unfulfilled customer need. Arrival of new technologies, loosening of the regulations, removal of the international trade barriers, threats, shift to the customer taste away from the firm's product, emergence of the substitute product, new regulations, and increased trade barriers. You can say the SWOT. You can see the SWOT matrix. That is depend upon the strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats. So, as in matrix shown there, strategies pursue the opportunity that area that are a good company fit or to the company's strength. W strategies overcome weakness to the pursue opportunity. ST strategies identify ways to use the strength to reduce unintended to external threats. W2 strategies establish a distinctive defensive plan to prevent the first firm weakness from making it highly susceptible to external threats. Thanks.